Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 4.4. Write the adjoint of the matrices and they have given two subdivisions, both are 2 cross 2 matrix. One of the easiest way to write the adjoints of a 2 cross 2 matrix, this is simply swap the position of these two values. So let's do that first. So in the adjoint matrix, I will place 3 here and 2 here. Simply swap the location. As far as these two numbers minus 1 and 4, just change their sign. So here minus 1, so after changing the sign, this becomes 1, this is plus 4, so after changing sign, it becomes minus 4. So this is going to be the adjoint of this particular matrix. Now let's try to do it here now. So in this case, remember, I'm going to swap the location. So in this case, this becomes minus 5 and this becomes 3. Now to change sign, 0 has no sign, so because of that, that sign will remain as such, because plus 0 or minus 0 doesn't make any sense. As far as this place, it is minus 2, so let's change the sign to plus 2. So adjoint of the 2 cross 2 matrix, you do it by crossing over these values in this diagonal, and as for these diagonals, simply change the sign. In the next video, we will find the value for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.